tell me a little bit, what is the overarching mega trends that you are seeing and that a company like Tencent is planning to tap into?
Sure. There are a number of mega trends that we're seeing. Well, first of all, on the technology side, many guests have already mentioned the magic word AI throughout the conference, and definitely we're seeing a lot of opportunity that using this technology we can give better user experience and enhance productivity for businesses. For Tencent, we focus specifically on where we can deliver value. We care a lot about how we can employ technology in very specific user settings. So the opportunity with AIGC, with the use of big data technology is going to change how we do things today, how consumers ordering their coffee, and it's basically coming to change every aspect of daily life. And another trend that we're seeing is that the digital convergence. Today, many businesses not only operate their offline stores or services, but at the same time they have their online presence as e-commerce. But in the past, I think these two parts of the services are being treated separately, but in fact you're serving the same user, and we're seeing more and more businesses are looking at how they can bridge the gap together. For example, when you have visitors in your store and then you try to connect them online, and later on when they go back home you will be able to connect back to them, send them discount coupons, either direct them to your e-commerce site or bring them back to your stores to get a gift or something. So this sort of bridging the offline world and online world, I think we're seeing the penetration continues with the popularity of mobile phones and connectivity anytime, anywhere. And in addition, I think we're also at a point that people are looking for better social communications online, social interactions online, and immersive video user experience become another trend that we're seeing. Today, Tencent Cloud has a Tencent RTC technology. Basically, it's a technology platform that power a lot of video applications where you can for example, in a bank setting, you can talk to a banker or a teller remotely in their banking app. You can karaoke with your friend remotely, and at the same time, the technology today with low latency, we're able to bring that experience very similar to, you're having fun in the same room with your friends. So we do have a number of very interesting applications that build on top of this type of technology that will bring a new user experience with technology and let people enjoy it. Mm-hmm.